Hello my legend mothers. In this video I'm going to on the review of kit made by Revell. So kit is in the 72 scale. This is how it looks on painted. Colors, what you need, decals. And of course instruction manual. So let's look how it looks. Again, paints, plastic parts, what you need, and I must say that instruction manual was straightforward. The seller was told me that was a good kit, so you can see some camouflages on the track and now the tank, which was pretty easy, I must say. Tank tracks, turret, and again camouflage. Okay, back from recycling plastic, and here you can see some plastic parts from the tank, wheels, tank tracks. Turret from one piece. And we are going now look at the track. So barrels, dashboard, front window, this huge part, and these ugly pins I must use a putty. And wheels, a lot of wheels. Some little part, as you can see, maybe 1 millimeter, but it is a fun to build. And some parts you can, and that is all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.